So y into dou 2u by dou z dou x is equal to minus 4xyz divided by x square plus y square plus z square bracket square and z into dou 2u by dou x dou y is equal to dou 2u by dou x dou y. So it is minus 4xyz divided by x square plus y square plus z square, its square. Therefore, we can say that by using these three values, we can say that x into dou 2u by dou y dou z is equal to y into dou 2u by dou z dou x equal to z into dou 2u by dou x dou y. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the proof. After this, we are moving towards differentiation of implicit function. Differentiation of implicit function. So what is that implicit function? Actually, this is not for our syllabus, even though for 1 mark in MCQ question, it will ask implicit function. If f of xy is equal to 0 with the derivative dy by dx, the derivative dy by dx is obtained by rule, and that is known as differentiation term by term. Here it is a derivative. Okay. Now what is the derivative of implicit function? So the function f of xy is equal to 0. The function f of xy is equal to 0 defines y as a function of x implicitly that is a function f of xy is called as implicit function. Okay. In x and y. If f of xy is equal to 0, consider it as a, just I am taking this function as a w, which implies to f of xy, which is equal to 0, and apply the chain rule by treating this w as a function of x and y and putting it equal to 0. See, look at this. W is function of x and y, and xy both. W is function of x and y, and xy both as a function of x, and put it equal to 0. Therefore, by using total differential coefficient, dw by dx is equal to dou w by dou x into dx by dx plus dou w by dou y into dy by dx. Therefore, by total differential coefficient dw by dx is equal to, here this term x dx by dx it is 1, and dou w by dou x is nothing but fx, because w is functioning x and y. So fx plus dou w by dou y, it considered as fy, into dy by dx, it is equal to 0. Therefore fx plus fy into dy by dx is equal to 0, and hence dy by dx is equal to minus fx divided by fy. Dy by dx is equal to minus fx by fy. Here it is called as a implicit function. ओके, एवढंच लक्षात ठेवायचं आपल्याला. dy by dx is equal to minus fx divided by fy. Now we are going to see example on this implicit function. There is only one example I will take now. So find the value of dy by dx for x into e raised to y plus sine of xy plus y minus log 2 is equal to 0 at 0 log 2. Okay, means here x is equal to 0, and for y it is putting as a log 2. So here f, that is given, the given function, that is x into e raised to y plus sine of xy plus y minus log 2, y minus log 2 is equal to 0. We are taking as a 0. Now derivative of given function with respect to x, that is dou f by dou x, and it is also denoting as fx, which is equal to derivative of x into e raised to y with respect to x, that is e raised to y, plus derivative of sine of xy with respect to x, it is x into cos of xy, and next terms that are constant, so it will be 0. Similarly, finding out derivative of f with respect to y, that is fy, it is equal to x into e raised to y plus derivative of sine of xy, it is
Y cos
into cos of xy plus 1. Okay, therefore dy by dx is equal to
मॅम तिथं y येत आहे आणि खाली x येत आहे.
हा y into इथलं ना,
next term.
derivative of f with respect to x na, here it will
Second
be
term.
it will be 1 into e raised to y. Okay,
y cos
plus
x.
sine of xy,
X Y constant है.
that is cos of xy into derivative of xy
y
is y,
Y
आणि मॅम खाली पण x येत आहे.
that is x.
हाँ.
Here it is. Just I have this phi, and this is the x now.
X. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
correct. Now it is correct. Okay. Now dy by dx is equal to minus fx divided by fy. Just put that values here. Fx, that is e raised to y plus y into cos of xy divided by this minus x into e raised to y plus x into cos of xy plus 1. For x is equal to 0 and y is equal to log 2. Here put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to log 2. Then tell me dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to x ची व्हॅल्यू 0 पुट करा, y ची व्हॅल्यू log 2 पुट करा. काय येतं बाबा? So minus आहे minus e raised to log 2 plus y, that is log 2, into cos 0, that is 1, divided by x, that is 0, second term also 0, divided by only 1. So here we are getting that minus e raised to log 2 is nothing but log 2. E raised to log 2, that is 2 only.
हाँ मैं तो
It is 2 plus log. Just keep in mind this only. Dy by dx is equal to minus fx divided by fy. This is called as a differentiation of implicit function. Okay.
yes sir.
Then next. Next example. If x raised to x, y raised to y, z raised to z is equal to c, then at x is equal to y is equal to z, prove that dou 2z by dou x dou y is equal to minus x into log e to the log x to the base e raised to minus 1. Okay. Log ex इथे ex is given. Ex is आहे ते. Function is log ex. Log of ex bracket raised to minus 1. E into x raised to minus 1. So look at this. The given function x raised to x, y raised to y, z raised to z is equal to c. Now, to solve this example, we have to take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, what we are getting? Derivative here, x raised to x, y raised to y, z raised to z. How we are writing here? How we
log
can write?
x raised to x plus log y raised to y plus log z raised to z.
Yes,
Hmm,
we can
plus
yes, we can put like this: x into log x plus
Yes, ma'am.
y into log y
log y plus z into log z.
plus z into log z is equal to c. Here it is log c equal to log c. Now differentiate with respect to y first. Here it is considered as z. Complete term. We are taking that x is equal to y is equal to z. So first we are differentiating with respect to y. The given complete term. आता ह्या complete expression ला आपण differentiate करतोय. So differentiating with respect to y, what we are getting here? Derivative of this function with respect to y?
0.
0. Plus derivative of y into log y with respect to y. Y into log y.
1 upon y.
काय येईल? 1 plus log y ना?
Log y.
Y upon y. Y upon y into y चा derivative 1 आणि log y. So it is 1 plus log y plus derivative of z into log z.
0.
So it can be write as, look at this, dou by dou y of z log z is equal to, हा constant आहे, याचा derivative तुम्हाला 0 मिळेल. Therefore, the term we can write that is 1 plus log y plus dou by dou y of z into log z. Shall I write? Look at this, dou by dou z into dou z by dou y z log z equal to 0. असं लिहू शकतो ना आपण?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So here, therefore, 1 plus log y plus dou z by dou y into derivative of this z log z with respect to z. That will be 1 plus log z is equal to 0. Therefore, dou z by dou y is equal to minus 1 plus log y divided by 1 plus log z. This as the first expression. Similarly, we can get dou z by dou x. Shall I write directly? Minus 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x divided by 1 plus log z. Okay. Now, this equation dou z by dou y, we are taking derivative of this function with respect to x again. So we can write that dou by dou x of dou z by dou y is equal to dou by dou x of dou z by dou y is equal to dou by dou x of minus 1 plus log y divided by 1 plus log z. Isn't it? Now this dou by dou x again we can split as, or we can write as dou by dou z into dou z by dou x of minus 1 plus log y divided by 1 plus log z. हे समजलं प्रत्येकांना? Dou by dou x, it can be put as dou by dou z into dou z by dou s as per the requirement of this given example. Okay. Then after that, the next, we are taking derivative of this function with respect to x, with respect to z, with respect to z. कारण इथं z आहे, याच्यामध्ये x नाही, त्यामुळे याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह तुम्हाला 0च मिळणार आहे. सो वी आर टेकिंग डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ दिस फंक्शन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू z. Therefore, dou 2z by dou x dou y is equal to dou z by dou x into dou by dou z of minus 1 plus log y divided by 1 plus log z, which is equal to dou by dou z. Derivative of this function with respect to z. What we are getting, that 1 plus log y constant. 1 plus log y constant. And derivative of 1 plus log z.
minus 1 upon 1 plus z
1 plus log z
bracket square
square into derivative of log z.
1 upon z
हाँ, minus minus झाले plus. So 1 upon z into 1 plus log z bracket square into this dou z by dou x as it is, which is equal to 1 upon z into 1 plus log y, 1 plus log y divided by 1 plus log z bracket square into dou z by dou x. Already we have calculated here. Dou z by dou x, that is minus 1 plus log y log x minus 1 plus log x divided by 1 plus log z square. Square na? No, it is simply log z. Next, multiply these two terms by putting x is equal to y is equal to z. Put x is equal to y is equal to z as per the given condition. Therefore, dou 2z by dou x dou y is equal to, तर एक व्हॅल्यू ठेवा. आता या ठिकाणी z ची व्हॅल्यू, y ची व्हॅल्यू, x पुट करूयात आपण. सो इट इज 1 अपॉन x into 1 plus log x divided by 1 plus log x bracket square into minus 1 plus log x divided by 1 plus log x. Therefore, dou 2z by dou x dou y is equal to, which terms are going to be cancelled?
1 plus log x
हे दोन्ही कॅन्सल झाले आधीचे इथले आपले. हा ब्रॅकेट कॅन्सल झाला, इथे मायनस राहतोय फक्त. याच्यात स्क्वेअर मधला एक कॅन्सल झाला, एक राहतोय. ओके, सो इट इज minus 1 upon x into 1 upon this 1 we can write as log e plus log x, which is equal to minus 1 upon x into log e plus log x by using property. Log of a plus log of b is equal to log of a into b. So it is log of e into x, and 1 upon is there, so it will be raised to minus 1. Hence the proof. And this term again we can write as minus x into log ex bracket raised to minus 1. Okay, this is the proof. Everyone understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now after this we are moving towards the next bit, variables to be treated as a constant or variable to be treated as an independent variable. So we can see here. Next bit is variables to be treated as independent variables. Okay. Now, in some cases, there is a possibility of confusion. Is which variable we have to take as a constant. So at that time, we can take the help of this type of examples or this type of derivatives, how we are noting it as. So look at this. Suppose I have x is equal to r cos theta. X is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Y is equal to r sin theta. If we want to find out dou r by dou x, we are going to find out dou r by dou x. आता या फंक्शन मध्ये म्हणजे x दिलेला आहे y दिलेला आहे आणि मला इथे फाइंड आउट काय करायचंय dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x. Treating it as an independent variable. Okay, so for that we have to obtain the relation between r and x. First we have to find out the relation between r and x, and by eliminating one term, that is theta, by eliminating the theta, this partial derivative we can write or we can denote as, look at this. आता याच्यामध्ये x आहे, पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला x हा जो r आहे x आणि y मध्ये आपल्याला कन्व्हर्ट करायचंय आणि त्याच्यामध्ये थीटा जो आहे तो थीटा बाजूला ठेवायचंय. म्हणजे आता हे जे फंक्शन आहे हे फंक्शन लिहिताना कसं लिहितोय, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसं लिहितोय बघा, dou r by dou x where y as a constant term. Partial derivative of y treating x as an independent to be treated as a constant, and it is denoted by dou r by dou y keeping x constant. या ठिकाणी x हा इंडिपेंडेंट आहे आणि या ठिकाणी y हा इंडिपेंडेंट आहे. लक्षात येतं बघा इथं हे जे एक्झाम्पल आहे x इज इक्वल टू r cos theta, y इज इक्वल टू r sin theta घेतला आपण. आता मला इथे फाइंड आउट काय करायचंय बघा, dou r by dou x treating y as an independent variable and dou r by dou y keeping x as an independent variable. So before that, finding out the derivative of this function with respect to x and with respect to y, just we have to convert this term. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. या ठिकाणी x is function in r and theta. या ठिकाणी थीटा कॉन्स्टंट आहे, y is function in r and theta. मग पहिल्यांदा आपण हा जो x आणि y आहेत आपल्याला r मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं. तर कसं करणार, टेकिंग स्क्वेअर ऑन बोथ साइड. सो x स्क्वेअर it becomes r square into cos square theta, and y square it becomes r square into sin square theta. Therefore, we can adding these two terms. So x square plus y square is equal to r square into in bracket cos square plus sin square theta. That is 1. Means r is function in x and y. Then and then only we can take the derivative. If you are not converting the given function in r as a function of x and y, then you are not able to take derivative. So before taking derivative, first convert the given function in terms of r, because x is function in r and theta, y is function in r and theta. Now to for taking derivative of r with respect to x, keeping y constant, taking derivative of r with respect to y, treating x as an independent variable. For that, we have to convert the given function in terms of r. So that is here. Now you can take the derivative of r with respect to x as well with respect to y. So tell me that derivative of x square plus y square is equal to r square with respect to x. So how we are getting that? 2x is equal to r square चा derivative with respect to x घेतोय आपण. So it is 2r into dou r by dou x. Therefore, dou r by dou x is equal to treating this y as an independent variable is equal to x divided by r. In same way, we are taking derivative of r with respect to y. So it is 2y is equal to 2r into dou r by dou y. Therefore, dou r by dou y, keeping x independent, is equal to y divided by r. Got it? One more example I am taking here for independent variables. If x is equal to u plus v, x is equal to u plus v, and y is equal to u minus v, then find derivative of u with respect to y, treating x as a constant. Okay, या ठिकाणी x हा independent आहे. So first consider the given function x, which is equal to u plus v, and y is equal to u minus v. Therefore, if you are adding these two terms, आता दिलेले functions कशामध्ये आहेत बघा, x is function in u and v, y also function in u and v, isn't it? Now we are taking derivative of u with respect to y, so that's why we need u is function in x and y. म्हणजे इथं दिलेला कसं आहे, x, y, these are the functions are in u and v. Now we have to convert this function as v also x and y. And for that, if you are adding these two terms, so that time we are getting that x plus y is equal to v plus and minus v cancel, so it is equal to 2. Now differentiate this function with respect to y. So it is 1 is equal to 2 into derivative of u with respect to y.
Dou u by dou y.
Dou u by dou y. Therefore, dou u by dou y is equal to 1 upon 2. What about v? How we are taking that v? Yes, it is x minus y. Suppose I am taking that x minus y is equal to u plus v minus u minus v. So minus minus becomes plus, plus u minus u cancel. So it is 2v. Therefore, derivative of this v with respect to y, it is minus 1 is equal to 2 into dou v by dou y. So dou v by dou y is equal to minus 1 upon. Do you understand this?
Yes.
आता या ठिकाणी सफिक्स मध्ये x लिहिलाय म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी x हा कॉन्स्टंट कन्सिडर केला जातो, दॅट इज इंडिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल. The next, if, for example, if x square is equal to a into root u plus b into root v, and y square is equal to a into root u minus b into root v, where a and b are constants. Then find dou u by dou x, keeping y constant, into dou x by dou u, keeping v constant. Now in this Example, the functions are x square and y square. So x square is equal to a into root u plus b into root v. Y square is equal to a into root u minus b into root v. What we need here? First, we are taking derivative of u with respect to x, keeping y constant, and derivative of x with respect to u, keeping v constant. आणि त्या दोन्हीचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन घ्यायचं आपल्याला. पहिल्यांदा काय करणार?
Addition of two equation.
Yes, taking addition of these two. Suppose here it is first equation, this as the second equation. Therefore, adding 1 and 2, you get x square plus y square is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 2 times a into root u. Okay. Therefore, derivative of this function with respect to x, keeping y constant, 2x is equal to 2a into derivative of root u,
1 upon
1
root
upon 2 into root u into
dou u by dou.
2x. Therefore, 2 will cancel. 2 into x is equal to 1 upon root u dou u by dou x. Therefore, dou u by dou x is equal to 2 into root u into x. Is it okay? 2 into root u.
Ma'am, 2 cancel.
इथे a येते ना?
Yes.
2 cancel. हा इकडचा 2 आहे ना? आणि इथे a पाहिजे.
A upon root.
A upon
Just a minute. Just a minute. एक राहिला याच्यामधनं. 2x is equal to a upon root u into dou u by dou x. Therefore, dou u by dou x is equal to dou u by dou x is equal to 2 into x into root u divided by a. Okay. Now consider x square. X square is equal to a into root u plus b into root v. Now taking derivative of this x square with respect to u. So derivative of this function 2x into dou x by dou u keeping v constant is equal to a into root 2 a into root u. So a into 1 upon 2 into root u. Therefore, dou x by dou u keeping v constant is equal to 2 to cancel na? Or it will be 4. It is 4. So a divided by 4 into x into root u. Now taking multiplication of, suppose here it is star and here it is double star. Taking multiplication of these two terms, here dou u by dou x keeping y constant. Therefore, dou u by dou x keeping y constant into dou x by dou u keeping v constant is equal to multiplication of these two terms 2x root u divided by a into a divided by 4x into root u, which is equal to 4x 2x. A cancel root u cancel, so it will be 1 upon this is the answer. Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
How we are taking the partial differentiation, keeping or treating as a second variable independent. ठीक है? Let me check your attendance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 absent, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13 absent. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.